Today I wake up, still the assemblage, associated distortions bewilder me. In this world, I am a shapeshifter, fragmented body perceptions as higher vibration frequencies to God. In the supernatural sky, I was restful as I had reached my place of salvation. The surface is material structure, neither heaven nor solace, only the wind. Only quenched light, lulled into covering until everything was the same soul object, well formed in the irreducible, always already truth hidden in the trees. It is nothing. I'm here. I am still here. Desire dissolves away. I drink gulps of light, putting myself back together. The rain pushes the glyphosate and polyacidric hydrocarbons down into the ground. The industrial operation rehearses suffering. It moves me. The world with terrible momentum shift me into dimensional alienation, construct an object already weaponized within. The surface is the loss of what is already missing within. I look up at the sky, bathed in pink, longing for a liberated psyche. I wish I could rinse of any meaning into light, no former shape. Like the world is dying in flames, like rapacious gloom in the empire's burning afterlife, like looking out the window, a hollow flower, like falling into the wind, like falling into heavy air, like falling into limitless love, like made into the membrane of that real high shit, like pathogenic pleasure, like we gotta make a new world, like fade up, open association, vacate, reframe, like the surprising sun is blossoming somewhere and I'm here blown away into the paradox of smiling.